when you start cutting out blocks or roughing out any kind of a carving, it's pretty handy to have a bandsaw. Lots of us cannot afford a bandsaw, or we don't have the space to have it, or what have you. So the best thing you can do is get some really good hand saws. Now the best that I know of are some of the Japanese saws and a plain old coping saw. This is a Japanese keyhole saw with which you can get into tight spots. It's very sharp. This one is the one that I use the most. One edge of this is a rip saw, meaning that it's used to cut parallel to the grain, and it will cut much better than a crosscut saw. This edge is a crosscut saw, and it will cut much better across the grain. These saws make a very smooth cut. They're easy to handle, and that's what I have used to carve out this block. In most cases, it is hard to hold anything by hand and saw on it. You're going to get bit. You do. It's dangerous. However, this is one of the ways, a bench clamp is one of the ways where you now can saw this out. This is a coping saw that you can use to do a curve like that, to do any kind of a curve. That's how the curve is roughed out.